Welcome to Plants Outside. We are an independent public horticultural nursery supplying a large selection of paints from our Shopwhyke nursery located on Drayton Lane to customers throughout the local area of Chichester. We are proud stockists of Frenchic Furniture Paint. The original Artisan range is an all-natural traditional chalk and mineral paint suitable for wood, metals and many other surfaces without the need to prime. The new and improved Lazy range is a water-based self-priming, self-sealing paint suitable for wood, UPVC, composites and indoor metal. Its unique wax infusion gives the finish a soft, very low sheen. Chalk wall paint is luxurious and practical, durable and washable, ultra-matte flat wall paint with superior coverage and a velvety appearance. The Alfresco inside-outside range is weatherproof, water-based chalk and mineral paint and has an almost flat finish, suitable for outdoor and indoor use on wood, laminate, UPVC, composites, metal and ceramics. The Trim Paint range gives an elegant, subtle satin sheen and is designed to enhance skirting, coving and internal woodwork while providing an extremely robust finish. It can be used directly on wood, brick and stone. We offer free delivery to local customers. For more information, call us on 07541 971 274. Visit our website or come and see us at our Shopwhyke nursery on Drayton Lane near Chichester.